When I take a look at this problem, I notice I see one pair of sides that are parallel and congruent. This indicates that I'm dealing with a parallelogram. And one of the properties of a parallelogram is that the diagonals bisect each other. So AE is equal to EC and DE is congruent to EB, which means I can write two different equations. AE and EC are going to be equal to each other, so x plus y is equal to 4x plus 2. Also, DE is equal to BE, so 10x plus 5 is equal to 5y. Now I have two equations with two variables each, which makes it difficult to solve. So I'm going to choose to solve for y in that first equation. So to do that, I'm going to subtract x on both sides, and that leads me to y is equal to 3x plus 2. I'm now going to take this value for y and plug it in for my other y in my second equation. So now my new equation is 10x plus 5 is equal to 5 times my new y, which is 3x plus 2. To solve this guy, first thing I need to do is distribute. So 10x plus 5 is equal to 15x plus 10. I'm going to get my x's together on one side by subtracting 10x on both sides. Get my numbers on the other side, so I'll subtract 10 on both sides. And then finally, to get x by itself, I divide by 5, and x is equal to negative 1. Now that I have x is negative 1, I can plug that into my other equation, and y is equal to 3 times negative 1 plus 2. So y is equal to negative 3 plus 2, or y is equal to negative 1. Just a side note, this figure can't actually exist in real life because it ends up with negative side lengths.